Assalamu Alikum. Today I'm sharing with you the easiest and the yummiest chicken popcorn salad recipe that you can make for your kids' birthday party or any kind of party or when their friends are coming over. First thing first, fry some chicken popcorns. And then here I have a very cute looking, what you can call it, like a cardboard kind of box for the popcorns. Here I'm adding some Roman lettuce, some red kidney beans, sweet corns, and then obviously my chicken popcorns. Now here I have French salad dressing that I bought from the store, and I put them into this small saucers. They look very cute. You can make your own salad dressing. I'll show you the link in the description box below how to make tahini salad dressing. At the end, I'm adding here some Parmesan cheese on the top. You can make variations of your choice, add whatever you want, serve it, enjoy it. It's going to be a hit in your family, your kids, you, everyone will love it.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to keep updated.